Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Colt M1911 sent to me by Airsoft. So here it is. It is a CO2 non-blowback pistol, and it has its safety is right here. It's mildly atrocious safety. None of the slide release obviously doesn't work, and it has the trifecta thing on it. Is it comfortable holding your hand? Not really, but for the price, this is pretty good. It shoots around 450 FPS. Here's the mag. They're kind of hard to find, but they're $8. So the outer barrel goes right up to the edge, and whenever you shoot it, the outer barrel comes out. Autofocus. There we go. Whenever you shoot it, the outer barrel comes out, and then it goes back in whenever it's shot. But I need to put the mag in. So now, there you go. So it does not shoot that far, and the CO2 is running out. So I need to go change to a new cartridge. For me, one CO2 cartridge has lasted about 200 rounds, but I'm going to change it out now. So I'm just going to shoot until there's nothing left. So I'm going to should have probably put some silicone in there, but it'll be fun. Okay. Now, let's shoot it again. In order to load the magazine, you take your speed loader. You can either push the this thing here down there, or I just insert these to the top. Oh boy. It is a 13 round magazine, obviously single stacked. So they go in next to the cartridge. There's no way to adjust the hop up. It shoots good at around 0.2 gram BBs. It is by no means accurate, but it would be fun for a Milsim. So with the trigger, if the safety is off, you can hear that a click there, and that means the trigger pull like a little bit left, and it's really easy, but it is a two-stage trigger, I guess. But whenever you put it on safety, which is over here, you can just pull the trigger as much as you want, and it's not going to do anything. But the two-stage trigger is, first of all, the safety is really hard. The trigger is just mildly atrocious. It's not that bad, but it's just not as good as my SSP1. my final thoughts on this gun is that for the price, this is a fun gun to just shoot around in the backyard. For actual gameplay, I really don't ever see me using this because I'd just much rather use a gas blowback pistol or like a SSX 23 or something, or Glock, because this just is not going to cut it for accuracy. But the big no-no that I have is that my lights do not fit on the end of this gun, even a little bit. And I just can't, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to live with that. Also, it shoots over 450 feet per second. I don't think my friends are going to like this when they get shot by this, but I'm glad that Trifecta Airsoft sent it over to me, and I'll have some fun shooting it. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below. If you want me to do a review of the red dot on my rifle, comment there. So guys, I 3D printed a suppressor for it and this little adapter so I could put it on here. So now it is to its true mean potential. Let's shoot it. It's probably going to break. Yeah, it's smacking against the end of the suppressor. Yeah, this is pretty useless.